Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. Today we have our icon box for the month of August. We're giving away one of the items to one of you, so make sure that you are stay tuned for that. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for stopping by. For all my return subscribers, you know I love doing a monthly eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of August. It is the Rick and Morty 30 Shades palette from Glamlite. Super fun, super colorful. This is mine. I do have a brand new one for you, as well as another Ipsy giveaway in the description box down below. Look under current giveaways. It'll take you to the video. It talks about how to enter those. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel. Watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in today's video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know. As far as what is on my eyes today, it is the Glamlite Scooby-Doo Retro Raggy 10 Shade Palette. Glamlite. And I love this palette. So the icon box is $60. It is beauty, it is makeup, it is skincare, it is hair care. The icon box does only come out quarterly. So for this month, you know, instead of being charged the $30 for the plus, they don't do that plus that month, and then they'll charge you $60 for this because there are obviously more full-size items. This one is in conjunction with Chrissy Teigen and John Legend are the icons that are associated with this box. So what Ipsy says about this box, if you see me looking down, my notes are on my phone. From their vanities to the kitchen, step inside Chrissy Teigen and John Legend's world with the exclusive icon box collection curated to help you care for yourself as you care for the ones that you love the most. So the first thing in here is from AUME. It is their Brilliant Cleansing Gel. It does retail for $32. This gentle botanical based gel cleanser isn't just your average face wash. It's slightly acidic to keep your skin's pH level in check. It's formulated with nutrient-rich blueberry extract to wash away oil, dirt, and pollution without stripping your skin's natural oils, while notes of lavender and jasmine help lift your mood and calm your mind. I definitely need some calming of the mind going on right now. Mine's all over the place. There's a lot going on right now. So here's what the, I can get the glare, I think it's better back here, packaging looks like. From Huda Beauty is a Glow Wish Multi-Dew Vegan Skin Tint Foundation. This does retail for $37. Sheer Coverage Tint proves that complexion dreams really do come true. It's made with squalene, Damascus rose oil, and red bell pepper extract for digital pollution protection to help instantly brighten your complexion and blur pores for a soft, focused, dewy look. Here's what she looks like. Put a little bit there on the hand. It does give some luminosity to it, just right here. I mean, there's not much coverage at all. I'm just gonna try and put somewhere I have like a sunspot over here to see what it would do, and maybe like a little bit. But I mean, you can still see the sunspot through it. Next we have the Il Makiage Color Boss Master Eyeshadow Palette. It does retail for $61. With all the stunning multi-dimensional shades you could ever want, this eyeshadow palette offers a hybrid formula that glides on like a cream, blends like a liquid, and finishes like a powder. Not only is it effortlessly to apply, but is also waterproof and long-lasting. You don't have to worry about creasing or smudging throughout the day. Plus, the custom compact is super sleek and perfect for touch-ups on the go. I mean, it's got this kind of like mirrored packaging, and I mean, it is really pretty. I don't know if I'm going to save this for a future monthly eyeshadow palette giveaway or kind of what I'm doing with it yet. From Lithe Beauty is an everyday brush set. It does retail for $48. This brush set is the perfect addition to your everyday beauty routine. The ultra soft bristles help create smooth, pigmented, and precise application. And the silicone handles feel ultra luxurious and easy to hold. And then here's what she kind of looks like up close. MZ Skin Calming Moisturizer retails for $130. $130. It does get pretty good reviews. The nourishing daily moisturizer is gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. It's enriched with a skin barrier strengthening prebiotic and soothing plant extract to help deliver long-lasting hydration, instant relief, and balance. Here's kind of what the packaging looks like. I still can't get over that price shock. But I mean, you guys, $130. You paid $60 for your entire box. Your entire box was worth less than half of what this is. So if this was something that you would normally buy. Commodity Juice Expressions. It does retail for $75. This fresh scent will have your mouth watering just by thinking about it. Perfectly ripe strawberry, rhubarb, and raspberry pulp are blended together until smooth with a base of amberwood to create a fruity and juicy fragrance you'll reach for again and again. This is one of my friends' favorites, so I think I'm going to pass it on to them. I just can't do anything that has like a wood scent in it. It sets off the asthma. Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder, Flush in Rose and Brunch. It does retail for $25. Yummy Skin is on the menu. This effortlessly balm to powder blush not only coats your cheeks and lips in gorgeous rosy pink color, but it also creates a soft focus smoothing effect to disguise your pores and fine lines and stays put all day long. This kind of looks like this on the inside. Here's kind of what she looks like. I put a little bit on the hand here. I mean, that's a lot on the hand, but let's see if we can blend that out. I may put some. But there it is blended, a really pretty flush. I really like this one. The last thing in here is from McGrath Labs Skin Fetish Divine Powder Bronzer in Bronze Dawn. It does have a 4.8 out of 5 rating, so really, really good. Meet your skin's new obsession, this luxuriously soft powder bronzer that's designed to create sun-sculpted perfection infused with glimmering luminosity. The warm golden bronze shade will leave you radiant from sunrise to sunset and beyond. Looks like this. Here's what she looks like on the inside. And I put like a little bit right in here just to really sun-kissed glow. Pretty. Secret word of the day is icon. So what did you guys think? I thought it was a pretty good box. Nothing, well, except the Danessa Myricks blush, like blew me out of the water. I like Pat McGrath kind of bronzer as well. What did you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know how you guys are doing. Let me know what's going on in your life. We are just, yeah, getting ready to send my son off to graduate school. So what's going on here? There's fire near here, like a forest fire. That's a whole nother story. We'll get into that in another video. Because I can't do that right now. I'm allergic to one of the ingredients in here, so let's do give away that AUME Brilliant cleansing gel to one of you guys. I'd much rather see one of you guys use it than have it go to waste. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out, only fill it out once, and make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify yes you are subscribed to the channel, and also put on it that secret word. Now you can get bonus entries. How the bonus entries work is you only fill out the form once, but you can mark on it if you did do the bonus entries. Only mark if you did do them if you actually did, because I do check and you don't want to get disqualified. So your 4 bonus entries are, your first one is if you follow me on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you follow me on X, formerly Twitter. It's BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. Your third way is if you follow me on TikTok. It's Christina Marie, BeautyAmaB. And your fourth way is if you share this, family, friends, social media accounts. It's a way to help the channel grow, and it means the world to me, so I wanted to get back and to say thank you. Because YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. The giveaway is open internationally. I am not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. So the total of this box was $447. You, if you got this box, only paid $60 for that total. To me, that's a pretty good margin. Let's have this giveaway go through September 5th, Midnight Mountain Standard Time. Then on September 11th, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing on the Google Forms, the bonus entries, I will take the first name, first initial, the last name, put those in the computer. The computer spins all the names around. The computer picks. I don't, so don't ask to win. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't sell that information. I don't share that information. I don't create distribution lists. I don't do anything like that. So if you liked the video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel. When you do, YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye. Woo!